Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be doing a coconut curry crab. Now for this recipe I'm going to be using a heaping tablespoon of my green seasoning, a tablespoon of turmeric, a tablespoon of this Jamaican curry powder. Now this is the mild one. My favorite curry powder, the Chief's curry powder, 1 scotch bonnet pepper. I have 3 pimento peppers that I have chopped. I have some chopped parsley, 1 large sprig of green onion or scallions, half of an onion, and 6 cloves of garlic. Here I have my dough for my dumplings. Next I have this, the crab boil. I used this in my shrimp seafood boil and it was so good. I have some thyme back here. And I'm going to be using some coconut oil. Also here I have my crab. Now I have the blue crabs. Now they got steamed. They were steamed. Now I cleaned them off with some lemon and lime juice. I had them soak in that lemon juice as well. And I'm also using some pieces of snow crab as well. Now I love when they are like this because that coconut curry sauce is gonna be going straight into here. Yep. So this is the crabs that I'm using. Let's get right into the recipe. I forgot to mention my coconut milk. This is 1 cup of coconut milk. Okay guys, now I forgot to mention I'm using sea salt as well. I'm also using some all-purpose seasoning. So I'm gonna start with my sea salt. Just about 1.5 teaspoons, followed by my all-purpose seasoning, about 1 teaspoon, and then I'm going to go in with my green seasoning. The thing about crab is that you don't need to put a whole lot of seasoning because it does have a shell, and when it's in the gravy it's going to absorb all the seasonings anyway. And I'm going to add some of that crab boil. And I'm going to go in with some of that crab boil. It's about 1 teaspoon. Okay, and that's it for seasoning, and then I'm just gonna incorporate everything together. I'm gonna be starting with the coconut oil. Now my heat is on medium. So now I'm going to go in with my garlic and onion. And allow it to saute for about 1 minute. Now this has been going for a minute, and I'm going to start going in with my curry powder. And my teaspoon of turmeric. I like adding turmeric to my curry dishes. I love the fragrance of it. Plus it has a lot of benefits, health benefits. So I'm just gonna allow that to toast for about 3 minutes, and then I'm gonna come right back with you guys. So that curry powder has pretty much toasted. I'm gonna start going in with my pimento peppers. Now pimento peppers are just there for flavor. They don't have any heat, well, little to no heat. My scallions, chives or green peppers, green onions, sorry, and my parsley. I'll just move that around. Leave it in for another 2 minutes, and I'll be right back. I'm gonna now go in with my coconut milk, which is 1 cup. And I'm gonna fill this up to 1 cup again with some water. I'm gonna go in with my thyme. My crab boil seasoning. Some all-purpose seasoning. And I'm gonna throw in my scotch bonnet pepper. Then I'm gonna have this come to a slight boil, and then I'm gonna go in with my crabs. I'm gonna have this come to a boil, and then I'm gonna be adding my dumplings in. Okay, just gonna start taking pieces out. Because I want the small dumplings, I don't want any big ones. So I'm doing the small round ones, and then I'm doing the long ones. And there you have it. So I'm making this size as well. So it's the same method. Form it into a ball, roll it into a circle, and then I do this. Okay guys, so seeing that dumpling doesn't really take a long time to cook, I put them in at the end. And here you have it guys, my coconut curry crab and dumpling. Dumplings right here. Gravy. This kitchen is smelling magnificent. Whew, Lord. Can't wait to eat this. And thanks again for joining me. Look at the crab guys. Just look at it. That Gundy. Oh gosh. Thanks again for joining me and see you again next time. Bye.